Hi guys, this is a short form video of some trades we did on Friday. Took about 40 minutes, made just over 4% bank. If it's of interest to you, then the long form video will be available after this one, and then you can watch that video. It is uncut, uncensored, all the video, all the trades, I should say, as we took them, and all the hints and tips in risk management and how to manage your bank while make money. We never risked more than 1% of our account and made over 4. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps my channel. And if you are interested in watching the long form and learning about fractal trading in detail, take about 40 minutes. Click the link on this video or the link below and you can watch that video. I hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye. Right, quick voiceover. This is a speed up video. Shows the first fractal there. Rise trade just being hit, which is quite nice. Speed up into 1 minute fractals. The second trade going in there now. Between all these trades that you can see going in, I'm explaining how to manage the fractals, how to use the 9 EMA, how to manage your risk. Each one of those categories there with the red at the bottom and 3 colours of green up there, that each one of those stands for 2.5%. And as you can see, the market, if you wanted to, we could have pushed that through for a number of 2.5%. Potentially in the market there we had over 10%, but we didn't actually trade that. We traded a number of 1-to-1s. You can see the fractals here building. And all through this trade, I'm explaining there how to use Fibonacci extensions, how to use Fibonacci retraces to identify a target market. And you'll see shortly a purple bar where I've estimated the market should definitely go. And the red line above it is a BRN, a big round number. That's where markets usually trade into and then reverse. So you can see we've got the purple line here and we've got the market building up and building up. I'm jumping around the charts whilst explaining to the trading floor how the market's running. This really short form video doesn't really tell you a lot. It just shows all the winning trades that we're actually doing. But the long form video after this is, if you really want to learn how to fractals, do fractals, then you should watch the long form video, and that's a trade over and done with.